Hi there. I'm very excited to make a wonderful announcement today that I've been wanting to make for over a year now. You see, in our genre, we have a lot of, shall we say, fringe elements and scam artists, people who are more interested in clickbait and falsifying information so that they can line their own pockets. So it's wonderful when there are a few rational, objective voices whose work we can trust. And one of those is my friend and colleague, Misa Drezgic, who had the wonderful star archives for so many years here. He'd acquired thousands of anomalous images from all over the solar system. And then one day, a year or so ago, some do-gooder, some busybody on Facebook complained about his site. Now, there was nothing controversial on it, nothing overtly political or racist or ideological or in any way offensive. But the Facebook powers that be, with quotes around them, decided to arbitrarily delete the voluminous star archives. And so for researchers, it was a terrible loss, because for years we'd relied upon Misa being so good at finding and sharing wonderful anomalies, and we were always excited anytime he had something fresh to post, because that was almost always accompanied by rational and objective analysis of whatever it was. So at this point, we would like to welcome back Misa Drezgic and his Star 2 archives. I'm going to include a link with this post, and I hope that you'll visit him, join his group, and make certain to add his wonderful input into your study and your appreciation of anomalies all over the solar system. See you later.